Fix the Apple ID verification required billing problem on iPad instantly by following these exact technical steps. This error happens when Apple cannot process a pending payment or your card credentials need fresh security authentication. First, open your iPad settings, tap your Apple ID banner at the top, select Payment and Shipping, and update your security code or billing address to clear temporary validation blocks. If that initial refresh does not remove the prompt, an unpaid subscription or declined charge is likely holding your account in a locked status, which leads us directly to method 2. Navigate back to your Apple ID menu, select Subscriptions and cancel any expired or pending charges that are blocking new downloads. Clearing these stored charges instantly unlocks your App Store purchasing rights. If the system pop-up still appears, sign out of your Apple ID entirely, restart your iPad to clear temporary system memory, and sign back in to refresh your entire billing profile connection. Finally, if you need a quick workaround, open Media and Purchases in Settings, turn off mandatory password prompts for free downloads, and re-verify your payment option to complete the fix permanently.